rip open the cord and take a look at what this gadget is. Wow! Well, that's a surprise. Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And I recently did a mystery box unboxing from PoundIt, which costed like $1,000 or 50,000 pesos. It did very well, so I wanted to do a follow-up. So here we have a 25,000 peso or $500 mystery box from PoundIt, and I am excited to unbox it and check it out with you guys today. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we have partnered with Cop Garden to give away the Supreme body bag or side bag in purple. So all you guys have to do, number 1, subscribe to my channel. Number 2, follow me on Instagram. Number 3, follow Cop Garden on Instagram. Number 4, hit the notification bell. And number 5, click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Before we get to the unboxing, 2 things. Let me first explain what a mystery box is, and then we will talk about this really nice cap that I have on my head. So first, mystery boxes are surprise packages that you buy from e-commerce websites such as Lazada or PoundIt. And it has a price, but you have no idea what's inside. Now, typically, the total value of what's inside the box should be more or greater than what you paid for it. And if you guys haven't seen my earlier mystery unboxing from PoundIt, I will link it down below, pinned in the comment section as well as in the description box. Now, before we get to the unboxing, this cap is actually the official merch of Will Dasovich. So I did meet up with him. We did work on a collab video, and you guys should be seeing that very soon dropping on this channel, so make sure that you guys watch out for that. Now, with that out of the way, let's get to the unboxing. Now, as you guys can see, it comes in your typical brown carton box over here, which says PoundIt with the logo and then Unbox Me with a smiley face. It does come wrapped in a lot of tape, and one of the criticisms that you guys had in my previous unboxing was that I had a lousy knife to unbox my package. So I am leveling that up today. I am taking it to a whole new level of hype and craziness. So you complained about the broken scissors. Now we have the official Off-White toolkit. Yep, this is an official Nike Off-White toolkit. I have no idea why I bought this. I will be doing a review of this, or at least a full feature of this sometime soon. But as you guys can see, it says their toolkit in the familiar quotation marks, has the rest of the usual whatever text, and then inside it you have multiple tools. So you have pens, you have a cutter, you have thread, you have a bunch of other cool stuff. And one of the things inside this toolkit is an X-Acto knife, which you can use to unbox. And it even says here, let's have it focus there. It says there, cut once. So we will be using the Off-White X-Acto knife to unbox this package. So let's go. Ooh. So we have the box open. So let's start checking out the items inside them. Now again, guys, I have no idea what's inside this box. So I will be seeing it the first time together with you. So first up, we have a lot of bubble wrap. So let's take the bubble wrap out of the way. And here we have the packages. Now, just like the previous PoundIt packages, you have multiple gadgets or items inside wrapped in some sort of brown paper. So we will be picking them up one by one, and I will be showing them to you as we go along. So first up, we have, let's just pop this open. I think it looks like speakers, but I'm not sure. Probably wireless Bluetooth speakers. So this is the Sony Extra Bass SRS XB10 wireless speaker. So this is IPX5 water resistant. It does have a speakerphone function, a silicone strap. It has 16 hours of battery life. And yeah, so it's a water resistant mobile bass heavy speakers. Cool, nice. Wow, really cool. You know, I'm a huge fan of Sony audio. I know that their smartphones really didn't do too well, but I've always been a fan of their TVs, their speakers, and of course their cameras. So the Sony Extra Bass wireless Bluetooth water-resistant speakers. Let's keep it going. We have a pretty big package here. Again, I have no idea what this is. So let's just rip open the cord and take a look at what this gadget is. Wow! Well, that's a surprise. We have the Sony, oh, it's an action camera, guys. So this is the Sony FDR X3000R action cam. So, wow. I didn't expect that at all. So you do have like a Sony Action Cam over here. It also comes with a Sony SD card. Now the main features of this one, you have live view, it has a remote kit, it is splash proof, you can mount it, and it has an ultra wide angle. So it is kind of like, how do you say this, like a strong competitor to the GoPro. So if you are a Sony fan, if you love Japanese stuff, Japanese brands, or you just love Sony altogether and you are looking for an action cam, this is probably the one that you guys should check out. Again, this is the Sony FDR X300R. 3000R. So that's the second item in the package. Also comes again with the SD card at the back. So I do see like 3 more items inside the mystery box. So let's keep on just digging in. Next up, so yeah, again, we have like the cord. And then, oh, it's another item from Sony. So this time, it's the Sony Walkman, the NWZ B183F. So yeah, we have, you know, to those who don't know, those who are too young to remember, Walkmans used to be like the iPods of my generation. So they used to carry, they should be able to play like music from discs. Yeah, discs, circular things. I don't know if you guys remember that. So Walkman used to be a very big thing, a super important thing back in the day. It's just cool that they were able to transition the brand from a CD player with headphones to like a really nice music player. So again, we have the Sony Walkman, earphones included. So we have 2 more items in the box. Next up, oh, this looks nice. Maybe it's a smartphone. So, well, it doesn't feel like a smartphone because it's kind of light. And yeah, it's not a smartphone. So this is the Sony wireless stereo headset WI-C400. So this is a Bluetooth NFC enabled like wireless, what do you call this? Wireless earphones that you can use. So the main features include hands-free calling with HD voice, 20 hours of music playback time, does have voice assist function, hybrid silicone rubber earbuds, and yeah, micro USB for charging. So this is the type where, and you know, you just put it around your neck and then the earphones go here. So it does have fantastic battery life because of that arc around it, and at the same time it should promise like pretty good sound quality. So that's the second to the last item of this 25,000 peso mystery box. We have one last item, and it's not a gadget, it's a shirt. So this is the official PoundIt t-shirt. So yeah, let's just pop this box open and take a look at the shirt. So it's color black, and it does say PoundIt at the front with the PoundIt logo. That looks really nice. So black shirts are my thing. So I love the shirts. It just says PoundIt at the front, and then PoundIt in a little text at the back. And yeah, that pretty much is everything inside the 25,000 peso or $500 Sony mystery box from PoundIt. So let's go over the items again one by one. So you have the Sony wireless headset WI-C400. You have the Sony Action Cam FDR X3000R. It's really nice. I'm thinking of using this for my Singapore trip. You have the Sony wireless speaker SRS-XB10 Extra Bass. Really powerful, heavy, bassy, portable, water-resistant wireless speakers. You have the Sony Walkman. Again, brings me back memories. This kind of dates me to the fact that I know what a Walkman is. And then we have, of course, the shirt. So that's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items for the 25,000 peso mystery box from Sony from PoundIt. If you add the value of all the items that you have here, it comes out to around 25,500 pesos. So it's 500 pesos above the 25,000 price that you would pay for the 25,000 mystery box from Sony from PoundIt. Again, that's $500. You get approximately the same amount or a little over that for the mystery box. Now, is it worth it? If you ask me, I still think that I got more value from the 50,000 peso or the $1,000 mystery box that I initially unboxed. I mean, it was a great assortment of devices from different brands. This is a Sony mystery box, so everything inside is Sony, but you do have like 3 audio equipment and 2 earphones here, and then 1 action camera. So it's a pretty good assortment, but I think a phone would have been nice. But I'm not sure if Sony is still making like a lot of new smartphones. But anyway, guys, that's actually it for this vlog. That's the unboxing of the Sony 25,000 or $500 mystery box. If you guys want to check out PoundIt, I will be putting a link down below to their website. Please do browse through them, take a look at all the gadgets that they have for sale. They regularly do discounts. So if you find an item that or gadget that you've been wanting to buy and see that it's there for a good price, then go ahead, pull the trigger, and have fun with whatever gadget it is that you want to buy. And to end the vlog, again, let me just remind you, we do have the Supreme body bag, side bag giveaway. So make sure that you guys are subscribed. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. Make sure that you follow Cop Garden on Instagram. Make sure that you hit the notification bell and then you click the link down below so you can be part of the pool for the potential winners of this Supreme body bag, side bag in Hype Purple. That's it. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.